let's think about what this would mean if we started writing numbers in a different base. You know, like we do our counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's write the first 15 counting numbers but in base 6. Yeah, so the counting numbers in base 6 will have a little change. You know, 1 to 9, we go to 10. But we're only in base 6, so let's see what that means. Now it is, note here, they do start, and I did this because that's the way the book does their problems. I did this on purpose. So if I'm doing counting numbers, I start not at 0, right? Counting numbers start at 1. And so we are going to start at 1 here instead of 0. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, no problems. 4, 5, uh-oh. We have a problem. Because in base 6, do we have 6s? We do not have 6s in base 6. So we have to do something else in base 6 after 5. Okay. Well, the thing we do in base 6 is the same thing we do in base 10. Once we run out of symbols in 1 digits, what do? We go to 2 digits, right? After in base 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we go to 2 digits, which is 1, 0, is the first 2-digit number. Isn't that what we're going to have to do here? We're going to have to go to 2 digits. So now we're out of 1-digit numbers, so we've got to go to 2-digit numbers. What would be? No, it's the same. Okay? It's the same. Yeah, it's just that we get to, I mean, that we look at that and we see 10, but I'm not writing the base 6 here, but that's 1, 0, base 6, right? Is what I mean by that. So it's not 10, but it's a lot like our 10. Double digits. So you got to go to 2 digits. All right? Huh? Symbols, yeah. There's 6 symbols. And so after we run out of those symbols, then we have to go to a 2-digit number. Just like in base 10, when we run out of symbols, we go to 2-digit numbers. Same thing here. Nope. Remember, we don't use letters in base 6. Letters are only in base 16. Numbers, base is bigger than 10. So we can't use letters either. Okay, you're with me. All right. Yes. All right, now. So I wanted 15. We've only got 6 right now. So where do we go next? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Aha. We're run out of numbers there, haven't we? You go to 20. Okay, 2, 0. Everybody okay with that? Why do we go to 20 there? Because we can't do 1, 6. So we're basically maxed out here. So we got to go to the next level of 2-digit numbers, right? So we did our 10s. Okay. So now we do 20. Let's see. Have we got 15? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Question. I told you I'd save the best for last. Yes. No. I was just talking. That's not 10 because it's base 6. So I forego writing all those little 6s on this one since that's a question. Yeah. I mean, well, we already know what they are expanded, don't we? That'd be 6. That'd be 7. That'd be 8. in our counting numbers, right? But yeah, if we expanded them. Okay. It's a little tricky, I know. All right. A little. All right. Now that you got that, let's try this one. Not yet. Got one more for you. Everybody got all those down? Okay. I think this is... All right, let's write the first 10 counting numbers in base 3. Yeah, counting numbers start at 1. I mean, we can start at 0, but technically counting numbers start at 1. So yeah, we just have 1 and 2. The easy ones. Do we have 4s? In base 3, we only have 0s, 1s, and 2s. So as far as one-digit numbers, that's all we've got. So we got to go to two-digit numbers, exactly. In base 3, we go to 10 very quickly. It's not 10, right? We go to 11, 12. But yeah, we're out of, we can't do it. Now we got to go to the second level of two-digit numbers, which is 20s, the 20s, but there's only 3 of those, aren't there? 30? We don't have 30 either, do we? We only have, these are the only symbols. Three-digit numbers. Yeah, that's the largest two-digit number in base 3.
So then it would be
100. Well, it looks like 100. It's not equivalent to 100, but... do we need another one? 3, 6, 9. Yeah, so 101. Okay. So in base 3, you get the three-digit numbers pretty quickly because you only have the symbols 0, 1, and 2.